I'm Kate Lewis and I work in business owner support as a product advisor. Today I'm going to be talking about the R3 Factor Skin Defense Cream. The R3 Factor helps to improve skin's tone and texture in 3 ways. It helps to retain the skin's natural moisture, it helps to restore the skin's resilience, and it helps to renew the skin's appearance. This product contains aloe vera, fruit acid extracts, AHA, and collagen, as well as a vital blend of antioxidants such as vitamins A, C and E. Apply the R3 Factor to the face after cleansing. Massage into the face and neck area, avoiding the delicate eye area. The R3 Factor can be applied to the skin 2 to 3 times a week. It's brilliant for people who live in the city, polluted areas or smokers.